Hi tulips, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. How you guys doing today? So today's video is a 2-week update of me using the Wonder Grow Black Jamaican Castor Oil. So this is what it looked like for any of you guys that are checking it out. A little bit about this product. It conditions and leaves your hair feeling replenished, naturally strengthens hair and the scalp with essential nutrients while eliminating dry hair. So this is one of the reasons that I purchased this product. So let's go ahead and get into it. Here it is in real time, in real life. This is what the product looked like. I talk about all of this in the initial review. So as you guys can see, these are the current braids that I have in my hair. I am taking the twist tie out so that you guys can really get a good look at my hair, my scalp, and the amount of growth that I achieved within 2 weeks of using this particular product. So it's not a whole lot of growth, but there is progress here. My scalp feels fully moisturized, you guys. However, every couple of days I do have to go in and reapply this particular grease to my scalp. My scalp seems to love it. It eats up this product so quickly, you guys. It's not even funny. So about every 2 to 3 days I have to go in and apply some of this Wonder Grow grease here. So again, this is my hair. This is the current state of it. This is a little of the hair growth that has taken place within 2 weeks. You guys, also in addition to using this product, I have been doing my best to be intentional about making sure that I am increasing my water intake. Part of healthy scalp, healthy hair growth is making sure you're good, you're healthy on the inside. Making sure you're clean, making sure you're keeping your body detoxified. So I'm drinking plenty of water. So today was one of those days where it was time for me to reapply this grease to my scalp again because it starts to feel dry and itchy. And to eliminate that, I'm just going in and I'm just applying the product directly to my scalp. A little bit for me goes a long way. I try not to just go too crazy with this hair grease, but just enough where it's good. It goes. It works. It feels good. Also, after I apply this hair grease to my scalp, you guys, I do follow up with some water as well. And then I just kind of massage the dampened scalp and hair with the hair grease. Give my scalp a really good deep massage. And then I'm done, you guys. So yeah, that concludes today's video, you guys. And I hope to see you tulips in the next one. Smooches. Mwah.